Hi, good morning guys. This is Elizabeth, the Filipina girl next door. Today's video is gonna be short and sweet, and I'm gonna show you how I installed this $40 BM800 microphone that I got from Amazon. Last week, I actually unboxed this microphone on my last video. But anyway, today I'm gonna show you how I installed it. So if you're watching this video and you liked it and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I would appreciate it. Like, share, comment below if you have any questions, and please hit that bell for notification. So without further delay, let's do this. So today I'm going to install this BM800 microphone as I promised. So we have the USB cord here that connects the microphone. We have the microphone, the cover where you put the microphone in to hold it. I don't know what you call that. The expansion arm, the clamp, and of course the cord and the filter. So without further ado, let's do this. So let's do the clamp. So this shot, I'm gonna put this here. There you have it. The microphone, the cover, and put it back. We're gonna pitch this. There you have it. And this cord, you have 3 holes. You put it in. There you go. And then for the filter, we're gonna put it over here. So here you can put it like that, or you can put it like this. Doesn't matter. So right now we're gonna put it on the side. So there you have it, guys. I installed the BM800 microphone. I took off the cover, not because I'm inside anyway. This will just actually block the wind or the sound in the background. So then I connected it to my sound card right here where the condenser. I will have to show you that later because I don't have a headset or actually a auxiliary cord to where I can connect it to my speaker, so you will never hear the microphone, but it works. So that will be next. I'll see you. So right now, just for today's vlog is how to install this BM800 microphone. So there you have it. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.